In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Wi-Fi is not working or not connecting on your Windows. So let's get started. First is we need to check the WLAN autoconfig service. So on how we can do that, we just need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type services. Now services will appear under the best match. Then you just have to click on that. Okay, so once the services window is open, then we just need to simply scroll down to the W section and look for the WLAN autoconfig service. Okay, and here it is. So once you find it, you just have to make a right click and then select properties. Now for the startup type, click on this drop down and then you have to choose automatic. For the service status, it should be running, so you have to click on start, click on apply, and click on OK. Then you can also restart it from here. Click on the restart button, okay? Then close this. Now for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type CMD. Now command prompt will appear under the best match. On the right pane, you have to click on run as administrator and the command prompt window will appear. So here we just need to simply type some commands. So these commands will also be posted in the description section of this video. First command is netsh space winsock space reset. It's netsh space winsock space reset. Hit enter. Next command netsh space int space ip space reset space resetlog.txt. Okay, it's netsh space int space ip space resetlog.txt. Hit enter. Then we just need to simply type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the last method is we also need to make sure that our network driver is updated. So for that, you have to make a right click at the start button. Again, it's right click and you have to select device manager. Now, once the device manager window is open, we just need to simply click on the network adapters, okay? And here you just have to simply locate your connection. You have to make a right click, select properties. Then you will find the driver tab. So simply click on update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Then you just have to simply close all these windows. And then that's it. Those are the 3 easy ways on how you can fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.